we go. That's it. Let's get started. We're streaming. We're memeing. We're in it. Where is hold on. My goodness. Dear goodness. Okay, here we go. Streamer bot? Streamer bot not showing up. What if I try this thing? Streamer bot. No? Stupid search indexes. Okay. Let's figure this thing out, shall we? Shall we, my friends? How's everyone doing right now? How are you? Howdy. It's gonna be... Which one was it? That's for stable diffusion. How do I start streamer bot? Programs? Oh, it's in programs. Why doesn't it show up in my indexing thing? Let me see something. I gotta do what is called a pro gamer move. Hold up. Where's ChatGPT? How do I add another folder to Windows indexes? Give it to me. Where'd my headphones go? Oh shit, I'm wearing my headphones. Dude, I'm dumb. Cut that out. Let's see. Indexing options. Okay, control panel. Is there an indexing options in here? No way. What the hell is ChatGPT talking about? In the control panel, find and click on indexing options. That ain't a thing. Ain't no thing. Ain't no thing. I'm on Windows 11. All right, gotta put my back into it. Come on. Open settings. Access search settings. Privacy and security. Okay. Settings. Maybe I should do privacy security stuff up here. Searching windows. There it is. And let's add an excluded folder. No, I want to add an included folder. Open index location. Oh, wait. Index locations. Modify. I gotta clean my glasses. Damn. How do I clean my glasses? Maybe I should just drink more water. That's what I probably got to do. I really gotta just drink more water. All I'm doing is smudging around oil. How do I remove the oil from my glasses? Dang. All right. Open indexing options. Got them. Modify button. Change selected locations. Okay. Let me see. Let's add that. If we just add the whole thing. Maybe not. Inside programs. Let's see if this works. Let's do streamer bot. Streamer. I guess it has to re-index. Is it this? Not all files are indexed. Click OK. All right, we're indexing. Streamer. Maybe I'll just do it manually for now. Update. Download. Okay. I also bought and downloaded Helldivers, you guys. You guys. He bought and downloaded Helldivers. Do I have anyone else that wants to spread democracy with me? What? What category am I in anyway? Let me see. Software and game development. Okay, that's good. Dude, I'm getting hit with so many. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Install. Dude, I need dark mode in here. This is rough. Blinded. Token for Twitch has the incorrect number of scopes. What are you saying? Platforms. Twitch not working? Let me redeem something right now. Redeem something. See if we got a that ain't me working. We'll redeem that. That ain't me. No. I wonder what's going on. Nothing's enabled. Not logged in. That's why. Okay. Reauthorize. All right. Reauthorized. Let's try to redeem again. Redeem. That ain't me. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Brother. Gotta fix my hair. All right, let's get working on this. Okay, I gotta do a couple things here. Transformer? No transformer. I need to find a way to attach a transformer better. Does this work? Okay, it does. That's cool. This if statement could use some work. All of this could use some work. Can I use ref in a React context and pass the ref around? I don't know if that's what I want to do. Maybe it is. Let me see something. Text. Object context. I kind of want to add it here. I need to figure out how to use. Wonder. Let's see. The way to do this, if I want to. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna play some music. Play some music here. I just realized I'm actually able to listen to music that you guys won't be able to hear. Which is good because it will be my videos will be copyrighted strikes if I played music. All right, all right. Now where was I? ChatGPT. Use ref. Oh, how do you get out of here? Did I change my bit situation? Okay. Hmm. I have this file and I want every object to have a ref. Yeah, I think the only way to do this is the way I'm doing it. Let me see. But I think I can make this stuff less ugly. This is attach transform. Okay. I wonder how I can. How can I pass in a function into the component to essentially does this to make it easy to change? You know what? Instead of doing that, I think I'm gonna redo all this. Convert these into dictionaries by the ID. Can I convert these into dictionaries that are indexed by the ID? Very cool, very cool. Hells yeah. That make everything a lot cleaner. What in the world? Why does it keep doing this thing? Stop it. What is it doing? Okay. Here we go. What's this problem? A record is preferred over an index. Okay. Let me just. Hmm. What did I do? The heck? I just want a record. Let me use Copilot. I should just start using Copilot more. Paying for mother Copilot. Mother freaking Copilot. I better be using mother freaking Copilot. And not go down? The heck? Fix using Copilot. Give it to me, Copilot. Accept. Noise. I can get rid of all this stuff. Let me ask Kopai to fix it. Here we go. Is this right? Oh man, this song's a banger. Oh snap. Is this not an issue? Should be wrong. Shouldn't it? Oh dear goodness. Okay. Stop it. How do I make it stop? Whoa. I don't like what it's doing. Okay. Hey Guantulu, how's it going? Just gonna stare at my code and go sus? Understandable. Then you're gonna surf through it and try to figure out what I mean. Bro, it won't be an issue because all my code is sus. So I'm just gonna be in the exact same state as I currently am. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't even know why this is working. Like this should be an issue right here. Man, this is line set. Oh no, actually, we're good. You state. Oh wait, did it undo the stuff I was doing? Oh damn. How do I go back? Oh man. Don't tell me. Oh, this is like a revision? Oh, okay. Why does it keep doing that? That's weird. I got a new keyboard and I'm pressing something wrong. I can't code, so I stopped that light scripting inside. That was good enough for me. Oh, all right. Well, welcome to the stream. I'm not sure what enticed you to be here since it's gonna be a bunch of garbage code, but you know what? I'm glad you're here. It's nice to meet you. How are you? I'm a full-time programmer. I work for a video game company called Niantic. No matter what, memorizing line after line of possible code is a headache. You follow me for someone's dev stream? Gotcha. Could be one of two people. Why, thank you. Is this an array of U-State records? Is this a record? I literally have to ask ChatGPT. Hold up. But anyways, I am a full-time game developer. The game I currently working on is Pokemon Go. Let's try. Does this hold a single record or any number of records? Yeah. Yeah, I'm a backend developer for Pokemon Go. Sometimes I work on the front end. Sometimes. I try to avoid it though, because I don't wanna work in Unity too much. You know. You know what I'm saying? It was huge for a couple weeks. We like weirdly still have millions of people playing the game, which is kind of crazy. Like multiple millions. Oh yeah, 2 weeks. Truth of all things. Key value pairs. Okay. A record can hold. Okay, that's cool. We move on fast. Huge. Question from one person to another. All right. Ask away. No, I will not make out with you, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, how do you feel about assigning binary values to a visual? Assigning binary values to a visual. So let's say a playing card face up or down with 0, 1. Okay. Face up or down with 0 or 1. Like programming it? Then you string those together into a hand from a deck. That sounds like a normal card game to me. I mean, sounds good to me. Completely normal phenomenon, I would say. Is it a normal card game? But do you think even a kid could figure that out since it's just two values, true or false? It's part of a puzzle of trying to figure out how to make coding translate to something a kid could learn. Part of a puzzle to figure out how to make coding translate to something a kid can learn. Like a teaching thing. Okay. Can one card affect another card? Text object. I wonder if this is even better or worse. Dot ID. And you have to figure out how to make those cards do something. So you'd want to build a deck of code chunks, of course. So they can interact. So you've learned how the code works in relation. A single chunk of code, as you well know, doesn't do much, but 2 or 3 or 4 can do a lot. That's a visual plus collision check. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, like one card alone doesn't really do much, but once you add more Boolean logic stringed together, things become a fiesta right away. That's cool. You can kind of show that with like a tree. All the possibilities with one card versus two cards. What's wrong with TS? Is declared, but its value is never. Oh, okay. I think I want to do something like. I want to copy equals. Does this make sense? Unsafe assignment of any value? Something wrong? I don't even need to find a text object. It should be passed in. What am I doing? Dude. Cannot find name text object. Oh, so maybe text object. Got it. Doing this. I'm doing all kinds of things wrong in this code. Oh my gosh. A tree would be another way to visualize. Have a tree grow through emergency gameplay and each branch is a chunk of code. There's actually a coding technique based on trees. It's meant to be organic. Organic coding. Plant some trees. We need more trees in the... We need some more... I'm all about being environmentally friendly coding. That's why I try to program using trees if possible. Okay. All right. I hope no one quotes me on that one. Well, that's a neat idea. I like the whole idea of building educational stuff for programming. Let me see. So this is okay. Let me see. I gotta ask Copilot something. How do I do this without mutating the original object? You can create a new object with updated properties without mutating. Oh, I don't want to map it. Why do I gotta map it? Trying to avoid mapping and instead use index record indexing. To my advantage. So a lot of kids learn to memorize large chunks of information for Pokemon cards. One of my examples actually involved Pokemon cards. That's cool. Do you teach kids programming? Let me see. Oh, I guess that is one way to do that. That's a smart idea. Okay, hold up. Let me try that out. I still wish there was a way to like I don't know what the word. What is it? Outsource this? Now I'm just old. LOL. I never touched anything that required spreads, databases. I grew up during the shareware revolution and stuff got weird fast. Bro. Who doesn't love LimeWire? Where's that? There's this funny meme I saw about LimeWire. I don't know if I can find it though. Damn. Ain't no way I'm gonna find it. Maybe next time. Wake up, grab a brush, and put a little makeup. Hide the scars to fade away. The shake up. Hide the scars to fade away. the Why'd you leave the keys? I'm just reading the. I just think it's funny to read lyrics like you're Christopher Walken. You know what I'm saying? It's always better to read song lyrics as Christopher Walken. Am I right? Yeah, most of what I grew up is fundamental now, but also a lot also got ditched for no good reason. It's my opinion, but if newer devs paid more attention to what was done in the 70s and 80s, they go far fast. Yeah, man. I think there is. I think we are kind of going backwards. Play this to get you going. I can't play music. I'm on a stream. I'm gonna get copyright striked. But how's it going, Ghost? Welcome to the stream. We're so far removed from what made video games what they are that some forget how we got there. Man, video games is just a money pit now. Video games now are all about gotchas. Mobile games gotchas. Sadly. Like the percentage of the market that mobile gaming is ginormous. And they made it so easy to spend money through your phone. When you make things so easy for people, they do it. They just do it. That's how people are. I think I'm just gonna pass in. Update text. What is new attributes? The heck is that, dude? On text transform? Am I using this anywhere? You get muted. And also, I am currently listening to music. You guys just can't hear it. I'm listening to bangers after bangers currently. I think actually people prefer when I'm not playing my own music. Because they're just like, what the heck is this? Why are we listening to All Star by Smash Mouth on repeat? No, there's a way to make this better. Let me see. I'm not using this anywhere, am I? If I delete it, do I run into issues? Okay, well, before I delete that, I'm just gonna... All right, let's go to the drawing area. The hardest thing about programming isn't the programming. It's just figuring out how to organize your code. Like, the programming itself is easy, but figuring out how to organize like 1,000 lines of code is a real skill. Making your code like easy to add more code to is the skill. Text dot get. Let me see. I should have like these records. Should be like a method here I can use. Gives me. Huh. How do I loop through records then? Let's see. How do I loop through records? So what do you do now, Guantulu? Do you have any projects going on? Objects.keys? Object.values. Okay. Let's try it. Let's do. There we go. And then this needs a function. See, update text. And this is gonna be like, bam. I don't think this matters. I think. Okay, let me get rid of that. Select an ID. Do I need a... Do I need to pull in the selected ID into here? Let me see. I have to. Okay, let's just do that. Selected ID. Use... Oh, I got it already, actually. Selected context. Okay. But then I need... Shoot, I just need to ask ChatGPT how to do this. How can I write a function that abstracts this by allowing me to enter a new text object as a parameter? Well, it's fine if he doesn't mind getting muted. I just finished project. Converted a female streamer equal a fat linebacker. She will what? I guarantee it. Bro, that's why that sounds wild, bro. Well, I guess it sounds like you're just as wild as usual, Ghost, aren't you? My goodness. Are you killing the ladies out there, Ghost? You're out there killing them? Save some for the rest of us, brother. Previous selected ID. Update text object. All right, let's try this out. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna be like, bam. Whoops. Well, no, not that. Copy this. New keyboard, man. Update text object. Why is this crossed out? I don't need the ID or the previous, do I? New object modifier. I'm afraid of passing it in. That might lead to a stale closure. I even photoshopped her in her favorite. What? Shit, I should charge her for it. She might ban you if you ask her for money. Ghost. I think Ghost already is already used to getting banned. Not sure. I think Ghost don't care no more. Oh my goodness. Sounds like your average chap coming to Twitch streams trying to squeeze poor streamers for money they don't have. We only paid once a month. You guys are getting paid? Damn. It's a masterpiece. It's priceless, bro. You can't even. You can't put a price on it. New text modifiers? What in the recursiveness? Let's do something like this. Why is this oh, selected ID. All right, let's just try this one out. I'm gonna get rid of that. Update text equals update text object. I guess I can really just put this. I don't even need to put this inside. I don't even need to pass this in, I guess. Okay, let's try a new approach. Let's just put this inside the text component directly. Probably a better idea. Let's go down here. Let's do a update text object. When someone, so basically, if well, I got a lot to read. Oh man, but it's the worst job I ever had. There's 3 social clubs you need to get paid, and until then, they literally hold your money hostage. I even added the official Ghost logo so the value automatically triples. Nice, Ghost. You know the logo is worth millions. So basically, if they don't get paid, you don't get paid. When someone subs, half of it goes right off the top to Amazon. That sounds like a likely story. Sounds like classic Amazon. Lord Bezos never loses. Then the other half, like I said, is held hostage. Plan to run him over with a smart car one day. It will have one directive: run him over. Okay, two, back him up or back up over him. All right. Samuel always ignores chat. That's why the fans sink into depression. I'm sorry, Ghost. I'm trying to keep up with the chat. It's a victimless crime. Nothing of value was lost. Oh dear goodness. Is this let me see what's wrong here. Did you mean update? Oh yeah. Attach transform. What's this about? Some defined? Alright, let me try something here. Selected ID. What is let's see, we got the first previous. Alright, let's do. I gotta do a set text. Huh, does this make any sense? It might just be better to even. I guess the card's a victim because I had to touch him. Rip, bro. Damn, dude. Chill, bro. Dang, dude. Just obliterating. Quantrilu is just straight up obliterating Bezos. Dang. Bro, how are you gonna get your money back? Now Bezos is never gonna pay you. Now what? You gotta do something like this, even better. Let's put this function inside the component. Text component. Let's do update text object. All right. Previous, and then we're gonna want to return this is supposed to wrap everything. Damn, dude, my VS Code is not liking what I'm up to over here. Unsave return of any value. Explicitly as any type. This has to be of type. Record string. Okay. Let's do. Just want this first part. Okay. Now. Oh, I see what I gotta do. Object. Let's see, object dot values previous dot map. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, hold up. Maybe this doesn't make any sense now that I think about it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put this back at the bottom. This is going back down. Going back downtown. Okay, there's no errors there now. New text object modifier. Is that what they told me to put in here? What's that? It is like a function. And the usage? Text object and TRF. Damn, dude, this is next level programming. I have to pass in a function that does what I want it to do. And the function requires an object, new object. At some level, it is indeed a tree, but not a very big one or a good one. I think I just need the previous one and then the new one. Let's try something like this, previous, and then let's just do new text object. It's not really a record, it's just going to be a text type. Let's do this. And then what I'm going to do is text object and then new. I think that's okay. Can I do something like this? Let me ask ChatGPT if this makes sense or if this is nonsense. Oh, not that. Let me see. Does this make sense? Some dying branches here and there. Oh man, dude, this code is a shit show, dude. This code is literal, dude. I thought making Google Docs was gonna be Google Slides. I mean, it's gonna be easy, dude. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not a web front end web dev person. I do back end for video games. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I remember people telling me they never let anyone look at their code. It was their dark secret. Worked with a guy who literally taught programming, and they refused to teach me. What the heck? I think there's just inborn fear. If you teach someone, they'll do better, but that's how it works. Inborn fear. You teach someone. Yeah, you want coworkers like that. That is a way. That is a surefire way for a company to die. You want your student to surpass you. A good sensei. If you're a good sensei, your student has to ultimately kill you. Or something. I don't know. I saw that in Rurouni Kenshin or something. Function aims merge the properties of new text object into the existing object used to use the spread operator. Oh. It caught something from me. All right. This makes it flexible for updates. If previous selected ID. Oh, damn, what is this? This is a whole nother approach. Let me try it out. If previous dot, does this make sense? I don't think they're iterating through anything. Let me do that. And let me get rid of that. All right. Return updated previous. You know what? I'm just going to copy this whole thing. Dang it. I can't get used to this new keyboard. I just got a new keyboard. I got a new ergonomic keyboard. Text type? Okay. There we go. Boom. You want they just didn't want to die. Oh no, I just remember I left my crypto mining computer on the bus. Don't teach, live forever. So now it's part of the inner city system. Did you left your crypto mining computer on? How do you leave a computer on a bus? Huh? New KB since Flex Simul. I'm still using my 23-year-old keyboard. I did get a new one. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's one side of it. The other keyboard is over here, but I can't show it because the microphone's in the way. The keyboard's split in half. It is a Kinesis keyboard. It's a laptop. Laptops are easier to forget than you think because you likely put it down on the floor. That's true. Updated previous. Interesting. Okay. Let's try this out. Selected previous and then does that make sense? What's going on here? Set texts previous. Update text object. Should make sense. Let me see. I think I just do that. Fix using Copilot. I mean, as far as left stuff, rather than someone find a laptop, then, partially use drugs, which is far more likely. Someone got a free computer. Bro, there's a huge drug problem where I live in San Francisco. I live in San Francisco. I live in the capital of drug problems. Solid problem should ID probably takes type object O as a string not defined. Nothing changed. The heck? Partial text type. Should be right. Dude, how am I supposed to read this? Type string undefined is not timeable. Type string. Types property ID are incompatible. Type undefined is not assignable. Okay, I think maybe is it because the text type is defined as a record? It ain't. Then what? Accidentally had my wallet fly out of my pocket and go under someone's car while running across the street, and crazy enough, they found it and brought it to my job. That's crazy. Damn, dude, that would never happen in San Francisco. In San Francisco, your identity's stolen, your money's gone, you're something, you're in debt. Just watch out for hobos and shotguns in trees and people trying to stab you with fentanyl. The script of Escape LA couldn't have gone better. I don't know what the policy makers are thinking over here in the big cities. It's crazy. Like what in the world? There wasn't anything they wouldn't try. Sounds right. Yeah. Sounds about right. Explain using Copilot. Turn previous. Okay. This looks right to me. Updated previous. Text type ID. Partial text type. Okay. Which means an object that can have any of the properties of text type except for ID. In this new version, actually, I don't even need ID in here anymore because we're using records. So I can just, let me comment these out for now. Maybe that'll even fix everything. Let's see. No? Is it just a new issue now? Type property X are incompatible. Type number undefined is not assignable to type number. Now there's just a new error. Okay. Does it make sense because is it saying that this is possibly? Let me set the return type on here. Maybe that'll. Maybe that's the reason. Now I gotta think about using useState with records because how does useState interact with records in React. Will it trigger a re-render when a record changes? Or only if a record is removed or added? Wow, I just got a commercial about people just walking around on girders talking about flatbread. People still do that? I don't even know what that is. Huh? Walking around on girders talking about flatbread. Maybe maybe they found their target audience. I don't know. What you need to do is have a bot running while you code and it flirts with you and gives you positive reinforcement, but every once in a while it just drags you through the mud so it feels real. Damn, dude. That would probably hurt my feelings too if I did get a bot like that. But I do have a waifu bot that I programmed that actually has text to speech if I turn it on. Let me see. You dealing with You're essentially dealing with an object that maps strings to text-type values. The behavior of useState with respect to re-rendering when dealing with records or objects is crucial to understanding or managing component updates efficiently. The useState hook will cause components to re-render in the following scenarios related to records. A new record is set when the record's reference changes. Mutating the record directly won't trigger a render. If you change the record by directly mutating its properties, React won't trigger a re-render because the reference to the record hasn't changed. To ensure a re-render, you must create a new object or other methods that produce new object. Damn, that sucks. Adding or removing keys in the record will require creating a new record to trigger a re-render. Simply modifying the value of an existing key, as mentioned, requires replacing the old record with a new object that reflects this change. Summary: for component render in response to changes in a record managed by useState, you must set the state to a new record object. It can be done by creating a new object whenever you add, remove, or modify the entries in the record. Can I create a new record and keep the ID the same? Will that trigger a re-render? Yes, you can create a new record, keep the ID the same. This will trigger a re-render, assuming you're correctly setting the state with the new record object. I don't know if I like that. I just realized useState might not work well with records in React. One day we'll all just have bot life partners and no one will want to date because dating sucks. That is true. Dating is weird right now. I think dating is weird for everybody right now. I think dating has been like weirder than it has ever been. Which is funny because there's like more people than ever on the planet. I was odd about speed dating, but every time you change tables, you change personalities. You change your own personality. So like from acting cringe to acting cringe to soy. Maybe it's just better to not use records and just use an array of objects to make re-rendering easy. Sometimes they don't know what's going on. Yeah, like go from meat eater to vegan. go from a a soy dev to a dev with weak knees to a dev that doesn't touch grass. Maybe those are all the same people. It's probably all the same person. Are generally useful when you access items directly by key, which can make lookups faster and more. If you know the keys in advance, however, as you know, working with object requires carefully handling and share component rendering. This creating objects to reflect updates and state might make handling rendering simpler because adding, removing, updating items in an array typically involves creating a new array instance, especially if you follow immutable update patterns. Your intent more explicit and reduce the chances of accidental mistakes. Arrays are particularly handy if you need to maintain an order of frequently iterate over items. I don't need an order. If you often access elements directly by an identifier, a record might be more convenient. Okay, I'll use a record. We'll go with a record. Let's keep going. Let's keep chugging. Let's figure out what's going wrong. This is working? Okay, cool. I don't know why that's working now. Oh, it's not. This needs to be fixed. Fix using Copilot. Alright, alright. I need to run a company until I took an arrow to an E. Huh? Oh, I gotta read the context here. Samo, when you're going to follow your heart and quit your silly program job and start your pranks YouTube channels. That's my dream. Bring around an arrow. Dude, do you know how many people gotten shot from trying to be a YouTube pranker? There's got to be a good amount by now, right? Like a dude just goes up to a person and just tries to scare him and then just gets freaking shot. Dude, I've heard at least 2 instances of this happening already on the news. Bring around an arrow with you, but it's an arrow from a keyboard. Oh yeah, that'll do it. I used to run a company until I took an arrow to a knee. Yeah, that'll cringe up the room. We always need more cringe. Little touch of cringe here and there. All you need is a funny tagline when someone is trying to beat you up when you prank them. A tagline? What's my tagline? My tagline? Oh man. Let's just do some vids and figure out when you're running away. Did you watch the UFC fights this Saturday? I did not. Were they good? Please don't kill me. Don't worry, we're not gonna kill you, Quantilu. John O'Malley broke Cheeto Vera's face. Cheeto is tough, as she the respect. Huh, really? That's plenty funny for other people. Gotta love them dad jokes. You guys got any more dad jokes? What in the world is going on here? Or zero? Updated previous. So returns a record, so I think I need to do something like new record? No. How do I do this? Does this make sense? Why is it saying this is partial? I need some explanation. I think I see what the issue is. Explain as a co-pilot. I don't got kids, so I'm full of them. Huh? Hold up. Okay, Sean blasted a knee into Ichido's face that would have put down a rhino. Damn, that's rough. Did his chin survive or will it need a new life? It sounds like it needs a new life. I don't got kids, so I'm full of them. How can you be full of dad jokes if you don't have kids? Oh, because you don't have anyone to say them to. So you've got too many now. Simul. What? Since I can't hand them down like you're supposed to. Okay, yeah. Right, right. If there's any children or women in the room, tell them to leave now. They can't watch this knee from hell. Jokes I heard as a kid from like the 50s. Listen to the sound on Impact. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't even know if I want to show it. I'll watch it, but I don't know if I'll show it to the stream. Let me see. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's rough. Damn. That's a broken face. That's the sound of a broken face. That's for sure. Don't repress your dad jokes. Get them out. Can't be worse than your average meme. Yeah, most memes are garbage. Garbage until you find gold somewhere. Oh, damn. Okay, hold up. It's not letting me do this because new text object is partial. And that means some fields are undefined. Utility function. Clean object. What in the world? Utility function to remove undefined properties from new text object. Does it work? No way. Get real. Let me try it. Oh, damn. Still can't use this new keyboard yet. Does this help? It doesn't even help. What's this? Oh my goodness. Forget about that. I need a new strategy. What if I just make this not a partial? Then that works. New text objects. Okay. That works. That means I gotta do some extra stuff here. New text object. Change. Transform. Update. Transform. And we're gonna do something. New transform. And this is gonna be type. Gonna be type this, whatever that is. Ugh. Update transform text object. Not transform, just transform. And then we're gonna do previous. And then this is also gonna return a record. Is this not allowed? What's going on here? Historical relevance. Here's the. Oh man. You ever look at historical relevance memes? Historical relevance. Some memes have some good history. But people kept insisting on using them, so now they do. The first people to have memes were the Egyptians. No, the first memers were before that. Ancient Sumer, they got cuneiform. Like if someone kept insisting air wasn't breathable until everyone just suffocated. That's a funny way to describe it. Historical relevance memes, fan favorites. Does it work? CEO of Bethesda responds, it just works. Memes are actually very old literary tools, but they're like super lowbrow. I don't want to talk about the state of literacy. Gonna drink my ginger beer and pretend I'm getting drunk. All right. Literacy going down the drains. Literacy in shambles, guys. What are we gonna do? I wonder why I can't just do something like this. It seems perfectly reasonable. Stupid TypeScript. This causes type errors. Okay. Use picture books. Oh wait, never mind. We're doing that. That's basically what we're doing. We're basically just using picture books now these days. Make sure that the types align correctly, especially if text type has required fields that cannot be undefined. One approach is to explicitly assert the update object as text type to reassure TypeScript about the object structure. However, this requires caution to ensure you're not accidentally omitting necessary fields. So you can adjust your update transform text object function using a type assertion. Assuming text type is correctly defined elsewhere to include transform ref. I guess that's the way to do it, huh? I wonder why TypeScript sucks at this. Selected ID, okay. Is selected. Now that I think about it, how does it know the ID? Let me see. I think I have to include the ID in the props. Also, let me get rid of this stuff. Update text? Nope. Get rid of that. I think we're not using that. Memes are sweet. Do ID string drawing area. How do I get the ID here actually? Dang it. I need to do object dot keys. I'm not doing object dot values. Can I do both entries? So an array of key values of the numeral properties of an object. There we go. Map. Text. Entry. Then we're going to do ID equals text entry 1. I think that's what's going on. Am I getting this right? Key value. Text type not assignable to type string. Oh, the keys first. There we go. Text entry 1. Okay. There we go. Maybe I can reuse the key actually. What about that? Since I'm already defining it. Is that the play? Maybe it is. Let's try it out. Text entry. Passing the key. Can I just get the key like this? Copy. Can I access the key of this inside the component? I tried finding the memes I did. Like, look at YouTube Shorts trying to farm some of that TikTok hype. Most popular YouTube ad is for TikTok. Dude, like, I'm on TikTok and like TikTok is like there to make you feel bad, I think. I think the whole point of TikTok is just to make you feel bad and or laugh occasionally. Because like I go on TikTok and it's just like people making jokes about how hard it is to get a job in computer science. But they're kind of funny though. They are a little bit. They are kind of funny. Let me see if I can show you an example. Where's Discord? Where that Discord be? Watch this. I gotta verify myself. Dang, that's loud. Hold on. Let me lower that.
Bless you.
Here we go. Okay, let me pull this up. This is what I'm talking about. Well, hold on for a minute, getting ads. Okay, well, hold on for a minute. And we have to keep out non-accessible in the child component. Oh, okay, I got it. Damn it! So that was that whole plan was spoiled. Let's go back to ID. All right, let's do ID. Should just do key equals I, and then ID equals that. There we go. And this, let's just forget about this for a second. Shapes. Let's also forget about that for a second too. We're just gonna work with, this is the border. Okay. We're just gonna work with text boxes for now. Okay. ID. All right, all right. Now we can just do something like that. Is selected. Something has to be built. They should have specialized in construction. Is that your ad? Something has to be built somewhere. With me, people just tell me I'm not allowed to do that. Fire person, house painter, other stuff. Not gonna lie, Simon looks like the tech version of Where's Waldo. The tech version of Where's Waldo? Damn, dude. But can you even find me? Apparently not, because I only got like 2 viewers. Son of a. Son of a. Update transform text object. Okay, cool. Selected ID. I don't know if I like this pattern. Is selected. ID. I'm gonna refactor this too. Oh, that didn't work. text object. Let's do text object. And then this stuff. Is that not gonna work? Why is it saying it's possibly null? If you... I just realized Where's Waldo audio version have to suck. I didn't even know they had audio versions. How does that make any sense? Where's Waldo? We got a dude on the left who looks like a normal dude. We got a dude in the middle who looks like Waldo. Who might be Waldo. All engineers code. All electrical engineers learn to code. Electrical engineers are just like coding visualizers. They just visualize the code with circuits. I do some electrical engineering on the side. Just messing with people's wiring. Nice. Why is there a hole in the wall? Why are there frayed wires? What the heck is doing there? Reading schematics is a real skill. I never tried that before. That sounds hard. Now I'm learning to terminate 50 wire cables. With a chainsaw? Just low voltage for now. 110 to 66. I don't know what that means. I don't know what those numbers represent. I don't know electrical engineering. I need an adult. Damn, it's not gonna let me update. Let's see here. Update text object. Let's do a function. Update text object. Using a transform. I don't know if that makes sense. What am I doing currently? TRF.current is possibly null. Possibly can't be though. What if I should do this instead. And then if not TRF. Okay, there we go. That makes more sense. I need an ending bracket here. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. So I don't need this function way down here then. That's good. Update transform, update text object. There's got to be a better way to do this thing. I think I was on the right track with the new text object is going to be partial. Dang it, this is rough. I don't think it'll actually get rid of undefined values. I think I just have to be careful, I guess, when I do this. It has to be partial. How is this function? Is it safe to cast to text type? Your function looks well structured for updating a part of your text type object. New text object should not unset any properties that are required by text type. If new text object updates any property, that new value must adhere to the expected type defined in text type. You ensure any such properties are either not present or have a valid fallback value. Maybe a valid fallback value is better. Can I have a partial type that does not include undefined of required fields? Meaning it has to be in the field or missing completely, but not undefined. Yes, you can create a type in JavaScript that is a partial version of a type, but does not allow undefined values for its fields. This can be done by mapping over the properties of the original type and making them all optional, but not including undefined in their type. This way, the properties can either be present and match the original type or be completely omitted, but they cannot explicitly be set to undefined. Here's how you can define such a type. That's crazy. Can I do that? Let me see. That would be amazing if I could, if this works out. Dude, type struggles. No undefined types. Text type. Partial text type, but no undefined. So that's gonna go here. And then I don't need a cast. Or I'd still need a cast. Damn it, I still need a cast. Is it because of null? Exclude. TypeScript still thinks undefines are possible. TypeScript, you dummy. Doing the eyebrow thing is gonna be bad. Sorry, I was deep in focus for a second. Time to read the chat recursively backwards. Are you asking AI questions? If you happen to want more work through, though, I know some guys in your city who started some weird company. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I am asking AI questions. I'm trying to get AI to help me understand what the hell I'm doing. The AI has not been suggesting successful suggestions. Oh, Lord. What is this? This is a lot of work to get around my issue. Update transform text object. Alrighty then. I'm gonna forget about all that. And I'm just gonna forget. I'm just gonna give up on that dream of trying to get those types to work. And I'm just gonna do it live. I'm doing it live. We're gonna do. We're doing that. Is this not allowed? What's wrong with this? Unsafe return type of any typed value. Any. How is that any? Do I have to include this? Oh, I see the issue. Okay. This has to be returned. Bam. Okay. Add missing function declaration. Oh, I'm not doing that. Update text object. Got it. Okay. Now what? Type undefined is not assignable. Type. Why is it undefined? Oh, dear goodness. Okay. Please someone huddle the farm animals. Now we pray. Tell me about the people that are working in my city. That are working in some weird company. I'm curious. If someone who shows up randomly and tries to hire you, that has nothing to do with me, for the record. Look up Insight. Should I do it now or after the stream? Maybe I'll look them up after the stream. Is it because if what if I do this then? Is that okay? That's okay. For some reason. Text object is okay. Why is that okay? So I gotta do something like this then? If... Dude, I do not like working with records. I might just abandon ship. It's supposed to be helpful, but the type system is not making it helpful. If not... previous selective ID. Return previous. Is that the issue? No? This is supposed to return... Argument of type transformer ref. Oh. It's because this? No. Type number is undefined. Now it's fine. They're legit. I mean, they keep insisting they are. Who knows? One of them goes by a day of the week. Okay, we can look them up. Insight, San Francisco. Insight. I almost typed incel. They work here? Insight Global. Insight.org. LinkedIn. Different company. Okay. Venture capital and private equity principles. A whopping 5 employees. Very nice. Matthew Rogers. Ladies and gentlemen, we found them. We got Samuel. What about Simul Shift? Not that one? Okay, never mind. The exclamation point? Oh, it's inside with it has to be an exclamation point? Let me see. There we go. It's kind of the same results. Is it Inside Global? I should sew something about a vampire named Madison. Alrighty then. She's an AI vampire. Where does where can he interact with the with Madison? Transform ref previous. This still ain't working. Update the specific text object. Selected ID previous, and then should I be able to do this? I wonder what's going on. But this is fine for some reason. So like, what's the difference between doing that and then what if I just did let current text equals that? This is possibly undefined. Oh man. It is possibly undefined. So, but I'm checking here. I'm checking here if it's undefined. Doesn't make any sense. I freaking hate TypeScript now. Mod me for a second. I'll just post the link. Could swear they were searchable, but this was like 2 weeks ago and stuff keeps happening. You can't post links unless you're a mod? Alright. You should be able to post links. I've never even modded someone before. How do I even do that? Oh wait, I think I have modded someone before. Just has been a while. All right, there you go. Unless you never blocked people from posting links. It's a bad idea. Indeed. I can see where things can go wrong very quickly. But that's okay. We live on the edge around here. We live dangerously. I hate this code. This makes no sense. I might abort using records, even though it might be more efficient. I might just abort. Because, like, what the hell? Maybe I gotta do it this way. Oh, that works. Oh my goodness. I hate TypeScript. Okay, we can keep going then. We figured it out. All right, I'm going to open it in an incognito window. Oh, survive a night with a vampire. That's actually kind of cool. I actually kind of like that. This is actually really pretty cool. Players are told, but the ones players will tell. Insight is a new AI native gaming studio creating new ways to play. Our mission is to create games where every decision matters to the story, making it your story. That's actually pretty cool. So you can talk to them, but keep in mind they might be on drugs or have wives. I've been working with them since they let people in. You saying they have wives, brother? That's too scary. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can work with them, bro. I can understand the drugs in San Francisco. I've been working with them since they let people in. It's scarier for them, trust me. I was their first creator, now it's like 30 plus. Nice. Sometimes they get dragged off without warning. Damn, dude, that is scary. Do console.error here. trf.current. Okay. I wish I could hook this in easily. Use ref. Let me fix the other issues first, I guess. What's this? Handle transform. New attributes. Let's refactor that. New attributes. And this is going to be selected ID. What's wrong here? is not assignable to parameter of text type. Okay, then. Let's try something else. Whoa. Let's try that. I don't even know if I'm using previous at all. I guess I am. To update. I guess I am. Okay. I'm going to use object everywhere. Like that. So I don't have to write all that other code. Okay. Oh, wait. Are things compiling again? That's cool. Have you ever seen a grown man hide in their own home? Oh, no. I've been told horror stories. Horror stories. That's why hollow living spaces exist. The original man cave was the hole in the wall they put a bookcase in the front of. Oh man. Say goodbye to my cave. All we get is hollow walls. But yeah, check it out. Seems like it'd be right up your alley. Kind of sort of just there. Nice. I'm like that homeless guy at the bus station that never leaves. You're that dude I see every morning on my way to work. No, I didn't see which way they went. Oh yeah, I'm close. Update the position. All right, let's retry with our new function that we wrote. Text object like that. Okay, cool. Here we go. Get rid of all this nasty mapping stuff happening. Dude. None of that, please. Do we need that? Okay, we do need that, looks like. All right. Let me see. Do we have any more issues? Ooh, a few more issues, looks like. That's gone, and then... Actually, whoops. What am I doing? ID. Wait a second. Okay. This is just ID. Bam. Bam. Okay. Bam. Bam. I had a real job once upon a time. That side, I don't want to do that, so I joined a Twitch pyramid scheme, and here I am. Oh yeah, is Twitch secretly multi-layer marketing? You just get other streamers to raid your stream, and that's how you win. And then you get those people to get their own raiders or something. Everything is just an MLM scheme if you think about it. It's only illegal if you don't have a product to sell. If you're selling a fake product. But there's literally companies that can legally do a pyramid scheme because they're selling something. Okay, I think. Does this compile? Let me see. Oh, it is compile. Does it work? No way this works. Text component context. Oh, Lord. That doesn't work. This should probably go in the context. Now that I think about it. Put it down here. Huh? Did I lose it? Where'd it go? Oh, no. Okay, let's get it back. There we go. Let's see an export function. Update text object. Very nice. We need the text site imported. Okay. And then here we can just import this now. Fine and dandy. And then this needs to be fixed. Text object equals texts of selective ID. And then I can do the update thing. Just need text object like that. Okay, cool. Fix that. What's previous in this case? There is no previous. Oh, there is a previous. Set text. Okay, cool. All right, all right. I'm sure there's a better way to do this too. I just can't. Might just be easier just not include. Nah, let's just do it that way. Dang it. Okay. I'm trying to clean this up as much as possible. It still looks kind of ugly. It's so I can get near Bezo one day and run him over. Missions to stay, gotta stay on the mission. Oh yeah, you can sell ideas. Most profitable thing is just selling info. All companies start with one person wanting to do something and another person having too much money. Dude, I need to find the dude that has too much money. They meet him, bam, and a company is born. Well, more like a startup burning venture capital in San Francisco was born. That goes bankrupt in a few years. We don't call them rich friends, we call them investors. Sorry, potential investors. Are you trying to figure out a way to exclude the weird kid code? Hey, you know, but if you use them, we get government funding. Later, simul shifter. Later, ghost. See you around. What was I gonna say? I am trying to find a way to make this code less weird. I don't know if I can make it any less weird than it is. Can I write this in a function? Can I write this in a single function? Let me see. What would be the function of this? It takes in a previous. I don't think I can. Not without including parameters. All right, let's just keep going. Let's do the rest here. I think what I can do actually is just do this up here. If no, I can't really do that, huh? There's no way to not make it look this way. Not that I know of. Not yet. Oh lordy lord. Let's get rid of this. Previous equals. Okay. It looks a little bit cleaner this way. Oh, wait. The transformer isn't being handled in here anymore anyway. So I can get rid of all this. Thank goodness. Can I get rid of this bracket? Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. I think we're making progress. Was telling my mother the idea how companies I work for kept hiring people to get kickbacks and I had to train them. Kickbacks. What are kickbacks? With all sorts of problems, they'd be better off starting riots than holding a job, but you know, money is money. They have all sorts of problems. At one point, I tried insisting they hire people with an actual skill set, and they just looked at me like I was crazy. Damn, dude. They don't want any overqualified people because overqualified people are expensive, I guess. I don't know. Who knows? I feel like there's a way to merge. What if I just do something like, oh, I can't do that, huh? I gotta do something like this. Well, rip. Okay. Well, at least this is all compiling now. There's a lot less code. Let's see if this works. Bam. Ugh. Previous not iterable. Rip, dude. Where's that? Handle stage mouse down. Dot length. So this is supposed to be object dot dot values dot length. That works. And then this ID is gone. All right, and then previous this. Okay. Create text component. Update text object. New ID. Oh, wait. This is different. Because oh, snap. That's a good idea. So we gotta do? Oh man. Hold up. If I do that over here, what does that look like? Um, let's do it this. Okay, let's do it this way. What if we do it previous and I guess it was like selected ID equals this. Does this make sense? What am I doing? Oh, I gotta do that? Okay, I gotta close that one, and then close that, and then close that. I think it's getting confused because or I might just randomly show up. That at one point I try to insist, oh yeah, we're calling people are friendly, not college students. Uh Overqualified people are not college students. So they're normal they're non-students. Don't ever leave college. Everyone will hire you. Just don't let them know how old you are when you started. I am working on my double masters. You can go ahead and unmod me or I might randomly show up. I already got a master's degree though. I want to get another one. I'm done. I'm done with school. I am not going. There is no way I can go back. I'm going back to school. All right, we'll unmod you. We'll unmod you for now. But I might need mods later, so I might have to mod you again later. Hey, Oxidized Logic, how's it going? Long time no see. Welcome to the stream. I stopped at an art degree so people can't say I can't draw. 40K to learn how to draw. You know, people are making some great decisions. People are making some really great decisions in today's day and age. Who doesn't want to learn how to draw something? Previous. Fix using Copilot. What's wrong? Hold up. Declaration or statement expected. What's wrong with this? Isn't that what I'm doing here? I gotta return it. Dang, that's annoying. Like that. Huh, that's not too bad. Might be easier than using the function to do it. I wonder if I can even make it cleaner by doing something like without using the function at all. It's probably not as safe though. Yeah, for me, you only stream late as fuck. Damn, dude. I learned to draw from a comics and Playboy. Time well spent. So if I sleep at the right times, I can't watch you. So I'm on. Is it's like, oh, dude. So like, I'm ruining. So if you want to watch me, you gotta ruin your sleep schedule. That is rough. That is rough. Could do something like this. That's pretty clean, I guess. I might just switch over to that syntax. I think I like it better. Let's go on, switch over. There we go. This is looking a lot nicer. Okay. 3 a.m. right now? Dang. How was your Monday? By the way, I was only 5, so I don't have to pay for them. Life hacks. They don't have to pay for them. They just gave them to you, just snuck out with them. Oh, today you're using TypeScript. I love so much that I don't have to work with it anymore. Dude, I fucking hate TypeScript, dude. I hate what I'm doing right now. Why am I doing this on my free time? No one can explain. But it's not just any TypeScript. TypeScript is fine, I guess, usually. Like, TypeScript by itself is fine. React, on the other hand. Oh, jeez, dude. React. React freaking... React is a shit show. The shittest of shit shows. The shittest of shit shows. I'm telling you. That's React. Alright. Because this thing compile... Damn it. Maximum depth. What's this? 43? What time is it anyways? 11:15. This is maximum depth. How is that happening? Let me see. Text object dot text is changing. Handle type changes. Oh, this is in... Wait a second. Yeah, this is right here. Yeah, this makes sense, actually, why this is infinite recursion. How do I even deal with this? The hell? How was this not an issue earlier? Just keep mashing Control Z. At some point, you'll want time rewinding. Damn, I wish. I'm already at that point. Front end is not for me. Me neither. If y'all don't know, Oxidized Logic is basically all my subscriptions I currently have. Well, I got a third subscription from somebody, actually. Surprisingly. Bro, I'm still appreciate those 2 subs you gave. Damn, one day left. Okay. Okay, well, I still super appreciate them. Please don't subscribe to me again because I feel bad. Because you can't even watch my streams unless I stream earlier somehow. I'll just ask ChatGPT how to fix this. How can I fix this infinite recursion? Use a mechanism. Check if they're different. That's a good idea. Consider your dependencies wisely here. Huh. Selected ID TRF. Proceed to update. Adjust these based on the broader context of their application. The transform changes. This is supposed to change when text objects like text changes. Whoops. I don't think I resub this week, but I definitely will probably when you're not live. Bro. I'll be in shambles if you subscribe. If you resub. Pretty sure all my subs just don't remember they subs in the first place. Had one guy admit his account was hacked. I asked him why he kept the sub going. He's like, why not? Yeah, they activate automatic resubs. Most subscriptions out there are just people forgetting to cancel. That's literally the worst thing about about how things currently are. Dude, everything as a subscription is literally the worst. Scaled width. Previous text ref, not current. This wasn't an issue before for some reason. Date text object. This was an issue before because I wasn't updating. I wasn't actually replacing the text object. That makes sense, but it's a big issue now. Because because it's like the ID is non-equal ID return. No transformer found. We don't even need that anymore. Last stream was thinking of leaving. They're raising the price for subs and Prime. Because in Brazil, there's something that did not happen in any other country for some years. The Prime was cheaper than its sub. Only if big wigs make enough noise to get them to revert it. Dude, big wigs, bro. Right now, there's just, we got We got the super rich people running the whole world. There's no classes anymore. Like there's no middle class anymore. It's just poor and super rich people. If you think you're middle class, I have news for you. You're poor. Happened what Twitch calls the prime boom because nobody subbed, everything was prime. All right, let me see if I can. Maybe I can export a function here. I can't export a function inside a function, huh? Is that possible? No, that ain't gonna be. That ain't possible. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I need a callback. Maybe I should do use callback. How does use callback work in React? Okay, I know I can big brain something here, but dude, I'm just not in the React brain. I don't have that React brain people have. Some people have the React brain. Instead of a use effect here, can I use some sort of callback whenever I type to apply these changes? This approach can offer more immediate feedback and be more intuitive for handling events. Handle text change. Callback function to call. But how do I, in your components return statement, attach a handler on change? In your components return statement, attach the handler to the on change event. So, wait a second. Components return statement. No, I don't have an on change. What is it talking about? What the hell? I need like an on text change thing. Let's see. Here is the full function for the context. Just apply to everything you can. I'm trying to get a remote job, but it's not that easy, unfortunately. Yeah, dude. Dude, getting a remote job is hard. Even like I had trouble getting a remote job in the US. They want everybody to go to the office. But I mean, like, yeah. Yeah, the issue with not having a remote job is that you have to come to the US. is the main issue. And then you got to deal with woke people. Sad truth, I really want to hire a 16-year-old kid sharp as a whip, and legally we could, but bossy and want someone who couldn't sell alcohol. Well, some companies pay you to live here. They will pay your rent. Damn, dude. Should I go to Brazil? They got libSQL in Brazil. libSQL and Elixir. Damn. Let's do it. I'm handling the text in a context here. Might go to the beach house. If you want to go to the UK, I don't think I would like to live in the US. You know what? I'm not gonna be offended by that one. Can't blame you there, buddy. If you move to the US, move to places that aren't touched by progress. Dude, progress is the worst thing that's happened to the US. Let me see. Let's try this. Handle type changes. I guess this should be handled in the context. Use effect. Oh, this is the wrong context. Whoopsies. Handle key down. I guess I would just put this in. Whoops. I'll just put this in the contexting. This be a function. Let's convert this to a function. Handle type change. Okay. And then in here, handle type change. Okay. Textref.current. So I got to do something like const equals if textref If not, textref.current. I watched Southern California warp like you wouldn't believe, all in the name of progress. I think about the US as each state is like its own micro country. I'll consider it. Everything depends on where I get a job. Midwest is fairly chill. The worst places to live is Rio. Rio de Janeiro sounds like a giant stabbing party and a party. A party where you get stabbed, but then have fun. And also you get stuff stolen. Probably get shot? Dang. They got a lot of guns there. The fun does not last long. I'll keep that in mind. I only need a couple seconds, really. It's also where you get free guns. Huh. Dude, it sounds like GTA. Literally sounds like GTA. Oh, this is supposed to be TRF. Property current does not exist on type transformer. How is that the case? Oh. I see. We can just do something like that. Let me get rid of this. Okay, I guess we can do this. Does it work? No, nothing's typing. Nothing's typing. Type in. Let me refresh. Maybe I got refresh. Nope. Text is empty. Maybe this is going to shambles real quick. I refactored my code and now it doesn't work. Am I gonna have to go back? Are we doomed? Handle type change. This isn't working? Text. If text object doesn't exist. Are we entering this? Actually, let me just do console. Let me console log this out. We're not getting there. When text changes. Text isn't changing anymore? Sao Paulo is not as bad as it is, still dangerous, but less. I live here and only got robbed one time. And there was an attempt, but the guy was stupid, so he was more scared of me than I was of him. That seems interesting. Like go to class and it's a martial arts tournament. That sounds fun. Rip in peace, Akira. Am I right, boys? Rip in peace, Akira. This isn't getting executed. Key down. See, this effect not getting executed at all. It's gotta be executed at least one time. Text box context. Text box context. Use text box context. Okay. Damn. Is this messing everything up? I feel like it is. What am I doing over here? Value. I don't think this is right. What is text box context has nothing. Oh my goodness. Okay, never mind. Let's put it back. I gotta rethink some things. Had a kid rob me at my job during the day and they put the gun down on my counter to show me they had a gun. I just stared at them. Like I can take that now, you realize. That's pretty scary. Quanthulu, the balls of steel. I get fired if I took their gun though. Better to get shot than fired. Point a gun to the owner and it will probably change. Don't you think your track button is a thing in Brazil? In San Francisco, the everyone is just panicking all the time. There's no off panic. It's just everyone's panicking always. Huh, I wonder what is breaking down here. Let me just do a console log right there. E pressed. Nothing is getting. Oh wait, I can't see logs because I'm typing stuff. Okay, I'm a dummy. S key pressed. Text object. So it is working. Okay. So why isn't it adding the key? Text object's not empty, so maybe this is just isn't updating. That might be what it is. Actually, you know what? No. We're replacing the whole object, so it should work. It should be updated when I type. Oh. What did I do? Let's refresh. Typing stuff. It's not getting added. Why isn't it getting added? Let me ask chat. When I type, it's not being added to the text. Unless it is, but it's not re-rendering. Remember in the valley, if you look at someone's card too much, they think you're trying to steal and they might just start firing. They just start firing shots at you. So don't look at cards. Thinking like here that guns are not easy to buy and it's really hard to get a license. If it was easy, everything would be worse. On top of that, cops might do. He spent more time on the outfit than he did on his video. Who did? I almost got arrested once and the cop told me to give all my dangerous weapons. Told them I had a pen. They didn't arrest me, but they weren't amused. Cops are never amused. Cops should probably maybe be more amused. I don't know. No one expects the pen. True. I didn't expect it. I'm not expecting one. This she might be right to how the way Raghound state updates. Immediately. Oh, I see what's going on here. So I do need the previous thing going on. Yeah, I should be doing that after all. Rough. Okay. I see what's going on. Okay. Can I fix it correctly? Can I apply this fix? Whoa. What'd that do? I'll just copy this, see what happens. Oh, what the hell? Previous. Okay. Handle type changes. There we go. I think that'll work. Damn, Copilot, you're smart. Okay. It does work. Nice. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna leave it at that for now. think I'm gonna leave it at that. Can I edit this text again? I can't even click on the transform. What's going on? Where are my transformers? Maybe I'll put this in a different branch. Uh, using records. Using records instead of arrays. All right. Whoopsies. I keep pressing. All right. Thanks for you guys for coming to the stream. We'll go ahead and wrap up the stream now. Fancy seeing you again, Oxidized Logic. Thanks for the chat going through, Lou. Stay classy. Cheers, my friends. Try to show up again soon. Sounds good. Maybe I'll stream earlier. Your chat went weird. Sorry. Actually, no, it wasn't the chat. It was just. It's actually. I should have logged off a while ago because I got to eat food and stuff, and I got work tomorrow. So like, but I was like really trying to get this working, somewhat, which I kind of did. So that's cool. But yeah. Nothing actually about coding? No worries. All right. Cheers, my friends.